Hi, this is Chase with Modern Exterior. I'm in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at a roofing project, and I just briefly wanted to go over some of the safety procedures that we always follow when doing roofing projects. As you can see, this roof is very, very steep. It's about a 14 to a 16-12 pitch, which is incredibly steep. We typically only run into about a 12-12 pitch. And as you can see, they have to anchor in their harnesses at the top of the ridge. They use about 3 to 4 inch nails to really make sure that they're secure. And then you can see that obviously the anchor is attached to the rope, and then their harnesses are attached to a little slide piece that goes onto the rope. And this is just to help prevent any sliding. They can lean pretty good on these. Basically, if they weren't wearing these, they would just fall directly off the roof, which would not be good. But these harnesses really help them for steep pitches like this. It makes walking on this steep of a roof very easy. So you can see he's got a harness on and he's got a harness on. Basically, I just wanted to show the main things that we have to use in order to do these roofs as safe as possible. And thank you.